In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bullet point color in Mailchimp. Whether you're designing an email campaign or fine-tuning a template, small details like bullet point colors can make a big difference in how polished and professional your content looks. This is especially important when you're working to align your email design with your brand's aesthetic. Fortunately, Mailchimp makes it relatively straightforward to customize your bullet points. And in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll be able to create vibrant, eye-catching emails that stand out while maintaining accessibility and readability. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, locate the specific campaign or email template you'd like to edit. If you're working on a brand new campaign or template, that's fine too. Just make sure you open the one you want to customize. With your campaign or template open, the next step is to navigate to the Design or Edit Design mode. This is where Mailchimp allows you to tweak the visual elements of your email, including the text, images, and of course those bullet points. Once you're in design mode, look for the text box that contains the bulleted list you want to modify. All of the text content in Mailchimp is organized into blocks, so you'll need to identify the specific block where your list is located. Click into that text box to activate it. You'll notice the text becomes editable, and you can now make changes to its content and formatting. At this point, you can either highlight the bullet points you want to change, or simply place your cursor within the individual bullet point that you want to modify. If you're looking to change the color of all the bullet points in your list, highlighting the entire list will save you time. Now, direct your attention to the top of the editing panel, where you'll see various formatting options. These tools are similar to what you might find in a word processor, and they're designed to help you style your text. Look for the text color option. It's represented by an icon of the letter A, with a colored line underneath it. This is the tool you'll use to change the color of your bullet points. Click the text color icon, and a color palette will appear. You can choose from a variety of preset colors, or if you have specific brand colors in mind, you may be able to input a custom color code, depending on your Mailchimp plan. Select the color you want for your bullet points. Keep in mind that the color you choose should have good contrast with the background of your email. This ensures that your text remains easy to read and visually appealing to your audience. Once you've selected your desired color, take a moment to preview your email. In Mailchimp, the preview option allows you to see how your design will look to your recipients. This is a great opportunity to confirm that your bullet point color works well with the overall email design and stands out as intended. If everything looks good in the preview, the final step is to save your changes. This ensures that your edits are applied to the campaign or template. Make sure to double-check your work before exiting the design mode to avoid having to redo any steps later. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of your bullet points in Mailchimp. Taking the time to customize small details like this can make your emails more visually engaging and on-brand, which in turn can help you connect better with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.